The slopiness or the terrain of your land should not hinder you from making that land productive. We are in Kiambu County on a 5-acre piece of land, which is on a very steep ground. Just check it out. Slopy ground, that's where precast shines. Instead of fighting the hill with endless concreting and formwork, Kingdom Precast Solutions bring you bit-bound precast that works with your terrain. On such slopy ground, precast products work the best. The conventional way involves a lot of excavation, a lot of formwork, but this one adapts to your terrain. And you can see the wall is on its best behavior. The process of installing a precast wall is quite simple. First, you get the components of the wall, that is the H columns and the precast panels. Then you do your pits, after which you must concrete the H columns on those pits. After they are ready, you just slide the panels and your wall is done. So installation of H columns and panels on a slopy ground, it is done in step sections, and these step sections make sure that your perimeter wall adapts to your ground. The advantage of precast wall compared to the conventional way of building, this one is very affordable. So the general cost of building, you'll save up to 30% on using precast. The other one is the workability. These components come set ready, so the only thing you do is install and that's it. Advantage number 3 is labor-wise. This one does not involve a lot of people. So you also save on labor. The other one is probably time. The time you take to install a conventional wall involves a lot of curing and all that, but when it comes to precast walls, there's no curing. So this is very important to note for our potential clients out there. The slopiness or the terrain of your land should not hinder you from making that land productive. Contact us, Kingdom Precast Solutions. We'll reclaim your land and make sure that you are using it for your own benefits.